How to share any product or item on Redbubble to Instagram directly, easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any product on Redbubble to Instagram directly, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Redbubble like this. Now choose a design. For example, I'm going to choose this one right here. Now if you want to share, you can choose the product, the specific product here that you wanted to share with, or you can change the design directly. First, you need to go here to the top and click here and go down. You will find Instagram. As you can see, click on Instagram and it will be shared directly to your Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.